Hello. Hi, good afternoon. Repeat after me. Good afternoon, teacher.
Good afternoon, teacher.
Very good. Happy Sunday.
Happy Sunday, teacher.
Great. What's your name?
My name is Mia.
Min An. Hi, Min An. It's nice to meet you.
It's nice to meet you, teacher.
Great. All right, so before we start, let me introduce myself, Min An. My name is Teacher Fat, and I will be your English teacher for today. Hello. All right, so Min An, before we proceed to our lesson, teacher will just ask you a few questions. All right? Okay. Min An, how old are you?
I'm 8 years
Oh, very young. Great answer, Min An. Okay, now tell teacher what grade you are in. What grade are you in? Are you in the third grade, fourth grade?
I'm in 6th grade.
Sixth grade? Ah, second grade. I see. All right. So can you say Min An? Repeat after me. I'm in the second grade. Can you repeat? Repeat after me. I'm in the second grade.
I'm in the
All right. Very good answer, Min An. Okay. All right. So yes, Min An, let us now proceed to our lesson. Oh, by the way, teacher forgot to tell you your name. Okay. So my name is Teacher Pat. Can you repeat my name, Min An?
teacher class.
Teacher Pat. Yes. Okay. All right. So there you go, Mina. Let us now start with our trial class. All right. Teacher will share the whiteboard. I am going to share you the book, Mina. All right. Okay. So let us have this. Okay. Wait a second. All right. Where is the whiteboard? There you go. Ta-da! Can you see my screen? Can you see the whiteboard, Min An?
Yes,
Yes, you can. Okay, can you say, Min An? Repeat after me. Yes, I can.
yes, I can.
All right, let's do it again. If I ask you, can you see the whiteboard? You say,
Yes, I
wow, awesome, Min An. Okay, so now let us have this. Teacher will show you something. I will show you the book, Min An. Okay, so for today, we are going to try to study this. Teacher will show you a book. Okay, so your book is called Reading Sense 1. Ta-da! Alright, let's start. Let's try to study this, Min Ang, okay? So let me show you the contents of this book. Okay, and we're going to study this. Ta-da! Okay, can you see it, Nina? Can you see the book?
yes, I can.
You can. Okay, so this book has 20 lessons. Where is it, Nina? It has 20 stories. Ta-da! All right. Okay, so we are going to have the first story. Lesson 1, Unit 1. Can you see it, Mina?
Yes,
Yes, we can. Okay, let us read the title. Teacher will read first. Listen carefully, okay? So the title of our first story, lesson 1 is The First Day at a New School. Can you read for teacher, Mina? Please read.
The first day at a new school.
Great. Awesome reading, Min Ang. Okay, so let us have the picture. Let's talk about it, all right? Okay, so you tell teacher what you can see in the picture. Okay, what can you see? Teacher cannot see. What can you see in the picture? What can you see, Mina? You can see who? Who are they?
They are students.
They're your students, right? Okay. So how about, can you tell teacher? I can see. Oops, let's make it smaller. I can see some students. Can you repeat, Mina? What can you see in the picture? Please read. I can see.
Some students.
I can see some students. Right. Okay. And they are male and female students. Right, Mina?
Yes,
Yeah.
they
Yeah. Do you know male, Mina? Mina means boy.
Boy.
Female means girl. Great job. Like you, Minang, you are a female student, right?
Yes.
Minang is a female. Teacher Fat is also a female, right? Okay, and look at the students' faces. Are they sad or happy? Minang, are they sad or happy?
They are happy.
They are happy. They're all smiling at the camera, right? Tina? Yes? Mm-hmm. Okay. Let's make another sentence. They are all happy, right? Okay, let's read one more time. Let's make sentences, all right? So teacher will say, we'll ask you, Nina, what can you see in the picture? Please read.
I can see students.
Right. Next, Nina. They are
They are
male.
female students.
Right. Last one.
They are all happy.
Right. Magnificent, Nina. Yay. Awesome job. All right. So now let us continue with the next part. Let us answer some questions. All right. So we have this activity called Before Reading. Before we read, we will answer some questions. All right. Okay. Question number one, Mia. Do you like going to school? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Great. Okay. Can you say Nina? Yes, I do. Yeah, of course. We love to go to school, Nina, right? But yeah, there are some students who do not like to go to school. I don't want to go to school. I don't like studying. But Minang likes going to school. Wow. You enjoy going to school, Minang, right? Okay. There is a follow-up question. Tell teacher why. Why do you like to go to school?
Because I have some friends to play.
Oh, because you have friends to play with, Min An, right? And also, we learn a lot of things in school, Min An, right? Teacher will rephrase what you say, all right? Teacher will say, because I can learn a lot of things in school. Where will we write it? Let's write it in here, Min An. Ta-da! Okay, because you can learn a lot of things in school, a lot of things, and I can also play with my friends in school, right? Okay, let's do it again. Later, we will read your answers later. Okay, next question, Min An. Number 2, what is your school's teacher's name? Let's say your favorite school's teacher's name. Her name is, or is it a girl, a female, or a male teacher? His name or her name? Her name is teacher blank. I don't know. What is her name? Your favorite teacher?
This is the back.
Ah, okay. Can you say it later? You will just say it later, all right, Nina? Okay, let's read your answers one more time. Do you like going to school? Please read, Nina. Yes, I. Great. You do. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Okay, let's do it again. Do you like going to school? Read.
I do.
Yes, I do. Why?
Because I can learn a lot of things and I can also play with my friends in school.
Yay! And what is your teacher's name? Her name is Teacher.
Fat.
Yeah, Teacher Fat. Me? All right. Okay, but I am not a school teacher. Teacher Fat is an online teacher, right? I am an online teacher. But of course, you have other teachers in your school, yeah, maybe in your academies, right? Okay, let's write my name here. Teacher Fat. Teacher's name is Fatima. Okay, but I have a nickname. This is my nickname. Ah, what is nickname? Yeah, this is my nickname. Teacher Fat. From my name, Fatima. I just shortened my name. Teacher Fatima. Yeah. All right, Nina. Okay, so let us move on to the next part, another activity to do, which is key vocabulary. Okay, let's learn the word vocabulary, Nina. What does vocabulary mean? Vocabulary means word. Okay, Nina? Vocabulary means word. Okay, key means important. Important word, right? Yeah. Oh, awesome, Minang. You understand what I say, everything that I say. Okay, so key vocabulary or important words. Okay, all right. So, okay, let's try to read the following. Okay, so can you read for me, Minang? Can you read for me? Wow.
Get on. Read.
Yeah.
Class.
Wow.
Read.
Lucky. Can you repeat? Lucky. Lucky.
Top.
One more time. Number 5, lucky.
Lucky.
Lucky. And number 6,
Top.
talk. Very good reading, Ninang. I can say that you're good at reading. There is no much problem with you when it comes to pronunciation. I'm impressed. Impressive, Ninang. Okay, so we are going to define the words, Ninang. Okay, we will give the words their meaning. I don't know if it's right. Okay, Mina. We will give the words their meanings. Okay, you are going to choose a letter, right, Mina? Okay, so the teacher will write the answer for you. Let's start. Number 1, worried. Is it A, B, C, D, E, or F?
F.
Letter F. Yeah. Look at the girl, Min'an. She looks worried. She looks worried, Min'an. Like, oh, I have a test. I'm scared. I'm worried. Right, Min'an? Yes. She looks worried. Okay, next number 2. Get on. One more time. Get on. Which letter? Yeah, get on. Letter
E.
E. Wonderful. Look at the kids. Mean and. Yeah, these kids are getting on the bus. Right, Mean and? These kids are getting on the bus. They are riding a bus, Mean and. Right? Or we'll just write. Right? Why cannot I write properly? Yeah, they are riding a bus, right, Nina? Yeah. Nina, question. Do you go to school by bus or
No.
by car? How do you go to school? How do you go to school? On foot, by car, by school bus? Or you just walk to school?
My dad takes school.
Takes you to school. So you mean by car? Dad drives for you? Yes? By car?
No, my dad is a motorcycle.
A motorcycle. Oh, I see. By motorcycle. Oh, amazing. Okay, let's make a sentence scene. I go to school by motorcycle. Right? Not by car, not by bus, but by motorcycle. Okay, let's read one more time, Nina. How do you go to school? Please read. I go
To school by motorcycle.
by motorcycle. Yes. Okay, great. I see. Next, number 3. Greet.
A.
A. It means say
Say
hello. Hi. Yeah. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Those are kinds of greetings, mean and, right? Okay, next number 4, class.
B.
Letter, one more time, please.
Letter B.
Letter B. Yeah, I heard another letter. Letter B, it means a group of students learning together. Like when you go to school, in a classroom, there are students who are your classmates. Yeah, it's a class, right, Nina? Like you and me together right now. Yeah, we're learning together. We say that this is a class. Even if I only have one student who is you, this is still a class, right, Nina? Yes. Yay, awesome, awesome job. Okay, number 5, lucky.
C.
See, it means having good luck, right? Okay, and last letter or number 6, talk. Talk.
D.
D, it means speak to someone. Oh, Minang, I'm impressed. You're really good. Awesome girl. Awesome student, Minang. Okay, now let us read your answers. Now this time we are going to make a complete sentence. All right, Minang? Okay, so you're going to start with this phrase. It means. Okay, so if I ask you, what does worried mean? Please read. It means.
It means
Yeah, picture letter. Picture letter F, right? Yeah, okay. Later we will do it again. Next, number 2, get on. It means picture letter.
E.
Picture letter E. Yes. Okay. Next, how about number 3, greet? Let's start with this one. It means.
It
It
means
means
Say hello.
Hello. Yay. Number 4, class. It means
It means a group of students learning together.
great. Number 5, lucky. It means
It means having good luck.
having good luck. And number 6, talk. It means
It means speak to someone.
to someone. Okay, this is for you, Min An. Great job. Yay! I'm enjoying our class. I'm having fun. Yeah. So, can you see? Sorry, I have a background filter because I have to hide something, someone behind me. Yes, I hope you can see this. Great job, Mina.
I
Okay.
can see.
All right, you're really good, Min An. Okay, so we are done with this page. Let's try to have the next one. Where is the next page? Page, ta-da, page 6. Right? Okay, so we're going to read a story, Nina. But before this, let us talk about the picture. Okay? So you will tell me what you see. All right? Okay, let's try, Nina. What can you see in the picture? I can see.
I can see some students and a driver, and a bus driver.
And a bus driver. Ooh, you saw this man. You can see some students and a school bus driver. Right? Wow. I thought you wouldn't notice this person. I thought you would only focus on these girls, on these students. Ooh, very good vision. You also noticed the school driver. School bus driver rather. Okay, and now where are they, Mina? Where are they? They are
On the school
on
bus.
the school bus. Yay! Okay, let us read your answers one more time. Mina, what can you see in the picture? You see? I can see.
Some school. I can see some students and a school bus driver.
Wow. And where are they? They are
On the school bus.
on the school bus. Amazing! You're really great, Mina. Okay, so now let us proceed to the story. But before this, let's have some more pictures. What is it again, Mina? It's a
A school bus.
it's a school bus, right? Okay, how about this one? What is it, Mina?
It's a notebook.
It's a notebook. It could be a book or a notebook, but since there is a pen or there is a pencil, that could be a notebook. Yeah. All right, so let us proceed to the story. Teacher Fat will read. Listen carefully. Are you ready to listen, Nina?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, let's make a sentence. Are you ready to? Okay, again. Are you ready to listen? You say, Nina. Yes, I
Yes,
am.
I'm ready.
I am ready. Or yes, I am. Or yes, I'm ready. Right, Nina? Okay, so teacher will read now. Let's begin. The first day at a new school. Patty is worried about her new school. She has no friends there. She gets on the yellow school bus. A girl greets Patty on the bus. You are new at my school, right? She says. My name is Lisa. What's your name? Lisa says, I'm Patty. I'm in Miss Fine's class. Oh, I know her. She is very kind. You're lucky, Lisa says. She talks to Patty about Miss Fine and the school. Now Patty has a new friend at her new school. There you go. Okay, now your turn to read. Mina, start with the title. 1, 2, 3, read.
The first day at a new school. Patty is worried about her new school. She has no friends there. She gets on the yellow school bus. A girl greets Patty on the bus. You are new at my school, right? She says. My name is Lisa. What's your name? Lisa says, I'm Patty. I'm in Miss Pine's class. Oh, I know her. She is very kind. You are lucky, Lisa says. She talks to Patty about Miss Pine and the school. Now Patty has a new friend at her new school.
Yay! Very good. I did not hear any mistakes. Mina, I could say your reading is perfect. Bravo! Awesome, Mean Ann. Okay, so there you go, Mean Ann. I wish we could extend our class, but we cannot because we only have a 25-minute trial class. Okay? So if I will see you again next time, we will continue with these exercises. All right, Mean Ann? Okay, so I could say, Minang, you're good at reading. Yeah, I am impressed by how you read. You read with proper intonation and pronunciation, and you put effort in your answers, Minang. So I hope you learned something from our class. Okay, so just remember um, the ways we describe the pictures, these sentences that we constructed. All right, Minang? Okay, so that will be all for today, Minang. I hope to see you again. Thank you for your time. Right? Okay, so, all right, Minang. Have a great day. Take care. I hope to see you again. Ah, for Minang. Very good. Goodbye, Minang. Take care.
Bye, teacher.
Bye. Okay.